All right, so we're here with Mr. Adeyemi, straight back from the VI.
That's right.
So the last time we were here in November 2022, you had just got the keys. You were pretty excited about adding your own touches to the project. So now it's 2024, second quarter. So how have things progressed so far?
Things are progressing well. Slow, but looking good. Ceilings were upgraded. They're working on the floors now. The floating floors were put down. And the bathroom remodeling was done. All the bathroom modern fixtures, toilet, sink, shower head was purchased. That's gonna get installed. We're also working on the water heater getting installed, water pressure machine getting installed. And last thing that's what we kind of discuss is kitchen design, layout, etc. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out.
So with these floors, what made you go with this this choice of color? Looks like, what color is it?
It's like a very light white gray. That's what we describe it. One of that open, bright look. Give it a more appealing space look, and not so much of a closed-in dark look. So open, bright appeal. That's what we're going for here.
And also with the ceilings, and I think you have an entertainment center wall.
Yep. So as you can see, we got the raised, lifted TV wall design. It's a nice sweet modern look. Food arrives, it's all in there. Nice raised wall. So that was one of the things that were added when the ceilings were upgraded. So it's a nice modern look.
And I see, so what do you think about the contrast of the original floors versus the floors that you picked out?
Yeah, these floors here, as you can see, the contrast in color. These are way more modern looking. This is a little more old school looking. I mean, it's strong, durable, but the look is not what I'm going for. So let's give it that modern appeal. Easier to install. Then I can put it up so you can see getting more stuff. This color is better. The look is better. Then you can get a more open space because you don't see all these texture pieces in here. So open look, looking great.
So what made you go with, are those vinyl or laminate versus the ceramic or porcelain?
Because these are water resistant, easy to clean, and I think it's quick install. Price point was good, and I use the same type of floor for properties over in the States. So I'm familiar with this type of floor, and I like it. I've had it in properties that for over a decade, and they still look really good.
Okay. Can we see the bathroom?
Let's go.
Now walk us through this because this has been totally transformed. I think if I remember, it was maybe brown tiles in here.
Yeah, so you know the tiles on the walls were like a darker gray kind of look, and then the floor was like pinkish gray, very, I don't know, I would say antiquated look. As you can see with the white with the little marble color on it, open, the bigger tiles gives it more space, gives it more depth. Also the floors, so this is like 1,000 times better than what it was when the developers turned the house over to me. So as you can see, way more modern, lot more openness for a smaller bathroom, and a lot more depth given the size of the tiles, if you ask me, in my opinion. So we have a little contrast between the floor and the ceiling.
So what made you run the tile all the way to the ceiling versus stopping where I think previously they stopped maybe around 6 feet, you ran it all the way to the top?
This gives it more continuity, continue, you know what I'm looking for.
Continuity.
Continuity, yeah. So, and it gives it a more complete look. And I think overall it just makes it a little more clean and sleek. So there's, not a whole lot of contrast between the wall, the ceiling, and any space that would have been up there. So it kind of runs smooth up to the top. The ceiling looks fine. Transition wells up there, and it's way better look.
And something we didn't talk about earlier was you also upgraded the lighting as a part of the ceiling.
That's true. So you can see there's 2, 4, 6 versus the one light that was in here before.
Okay.
So have more lighting. It's going to be brighter in here when it's powered up. You got 2 sockets that were installed as well. that weren't there before.
Clippers, blow dryer.
All that. You guests want to plug in or electric toothbrush, whatever they want to use. They have a couple options while in the bathroom. So looking forward to the shower head being installed. That'll be black. A nice modern sleek looking sink and toilet that matches with it. The similar triangular shaped design. It's gonna be nice when it pops in. So looking forward to that.
Are you gonna keep the doo-doo brown doors, or are you gonna paint the doors?
I think the doors are gonna most likely I'm going with that white and gray theme throughout the house.
Mm-hmm.
So I think a nice gray would go well. Not a dark gray, but a nice light gray to complement the theme of the house. So I think these doors would be good maybe for brown colored floors, but either way. Yeah.
You can see the bedrooms.
Yeah.
It looks like you've done the ceilings throughout the house in every room, and wow, yeah, these are much different. And these floors are gonna get done too.
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep the same windows and doors, these that came with it, or?
We're going to replace these, the silver aluminum color with hopefully white. You know, white, more modern, plain. That'll make a difference versus that aluminum look.
So this process, has it been fun being able to be creative and just kind of come up with your own style and, you know, be creative?
Yeah, the fun part is definitely being creative and getting different, being inspired by different things, whether it's houses you see, you know, go throughout your life, or social media, or like somebody else's property. So that's the fun part. Being able to look at different things, pull on inspiration, and then put your own twist on it. And just come up with your own original ideas. But an idea always comes from another original idea. So I feel like everything is a modification of your own recipe. And somebody that might have been there 10, 20 years ago, even a year ago, even months ago. So that's the fun part. You know, being able to pick and create what you want your end product to look like.
That's cool. So let's check the last bedroom, but definitely looks like a whole different place. Excuse me. Yeah, we not gonna be in here too long. They working in here, but yeah, this is pretty impressive. I can't wait till it's done and it's furnished, and you know, it'll definitely be and even for me, it's fun to see everybody with their own style, with their own renovations. You know, everybody has a different look that they go for.
Right.
But so it's good to see the creativity of different individuals. So it's good talking to you again. We appreciate it. We're gonna hit you up when it's done.
You folks sign out.